What's up? I'm procedure expert Diana. We're learning about procedures today. Let's go.
Not so fast. I stole something of your precious procedure. See if you're the procedure expert now.
1. Gather all materials, a water bottle and a sink. 2. Turn the sink on so that water pours out. 3. Put the water bottle under the sink. 4. Enjoy your water. What did the witch take? Wait, I got it. A good procedure needs these things: materials, order words, numbered list, and specific details. Let's check to see if our procedure has all of those things. Does this procedure have the materials? Yep, it does. Gather all materials, a water bottle and a sink. Okay, does it have order words? No, it doesn't. We'll keep that in mind. Does it have a numbered list? Yep, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, does this procedure have specific details? Yes, we have some very specific details. So we only need number words. Okay, let's add some order words. We did it. The witch has nothing on us. We have order words like first, second, and lastly. Let's try another one.
Wahaha. If you think Diana has another procedure to show you, then you're mistaken. See if you can fix this problem. Wahaha.
First the witch, now the vampire? Let's just see what he stole. Materials. Do we have materials? Do we have order words? Does this procedure have a numbered list? Does this procedure have specific details? Wait, we don't have specific details. There are a lot of its. Let's fix it. Yes, now it has specific details. That vampire thinks he's so clever, but ha, we got it. Great job today. Make sure to check your understanding now.